Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Odoo integration with Cookie Bar and Consent Manager app in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application helps businesses comply with data privacy regulations by allowing them to display a customizable cookie consent banner on their Odoo website. It gives visitor control over their data preferences and lets site owner manage tracking scripts based on user content, ensuring transparent data collect and improve trust. So, first of all, we will go into our website module, and in here, under configuration, we will go into the settings. Here, under privacy, you will find a checkbox named Cookie Bar. Enable that checkbox and save it. After this, we will go into our site, into our home page, and under here, we will find a cookie policy, and we will find two buttons, only essential and I agree. You can select whichever you want. After this, again, we will go into the configuration under settings. Under privacy only, here in the consent manager, you can see the none is selected right now. So instead of none, we are going to select Odoo Cookie Bar. Here, select Odoo Cookie Bar, and here you can see Cookie Bar settings. In here, you can see the Cookie Bar title. Here you can see the title for your Cookie Bar. You can see the URL for the Cookie Bar. You can see the cookie banner, description. And in here you can see the buttons, allow all, confirm choices, essential and customize. Here in cookie types, you will find the boolean for necessary, functional, analytic and marketing. Now save all of this and we are going to hop onto our home page. Now in here you will find the three buttons, only essential, allow all and customize. We are going to click on customize, and here you can see the booleans necessary, functional, analytic and everything. Here you will find assign, open that, and here you can select whichever you want to track. Here necessary is always enabled because of the security policy. Here you will find the tag hat. Here you can enable the GTM tracking, and here by clicking on reload you can just reload your site. And in the Google Tag Manager, under here in data layer update, you can see that which is updated and which is denied and which is accessible. Here you can see right now everyone is denied. Here you can see the security storage is granted, and other than that every access is denied. Now how to enable that? So first of all, we will go into the here and we are going to enable the toggle for functionality. Enable that and click on confirm. Now as soon as we click on confirm, we are going for our extension tag hound. Now we are going to click on reload and we are going to click on Google Tag Manager. Under that, here you can see the functionality storage and personalization storage access is granted, as we have enabled the functionality, and other all are still denied. So again we are going to open here and we are going to enable the toggle for analytics. Confirm that. Again we are going to our extension. Here in tag hound we are going to reload our access. Now here in data layer you can see that analytics storage access is granted and others are still in denied. So now again we will open our responsibility, and in here we are going to enable our marketing by clicking on allow all. Here if you click on allow all the toggle button will be enabled and all the access will be allowed to us. Now again we will go into the Google Tag Manager, and now we can see that every access is granted to us. Here you can see add personalization, add storage and add user data are also granted to us. Now again we will go into the configuration under settings, Here in privacy, you can see the cookie types. Now, if I enable the boolean for analytics and save it, we will go into our site. After this, you can see the analytics boolean is enabled in cookie type. Now we will go into our home page, and if we open the customizable tab, here you can see the analytic toggle is disabled from here as we have removed it from the cookie types. So now after all this, we are going to click on allow, and again will go into our configuration. In settings, under cookie banner settings, we are going to enable the analytics. Now not only the analytics, but in the button also we can see different types of buttons. So we will just customize it. So instead of customize, we need a button for customizable. So we will be entering customizable. In essential, instead of only essential, I want to add essential only. So I'm going to enter essentials. Now in confirm choices, I am going to write my button as confirm my choice. For allow all, instead of allow, I am going to write accept all. After this, here you can see the title for cookie bar. I want to change my title for the cookie banner title also. So I will be adding a cookie banner title. Here, after that, in URL, I will be adding cookie policy privacy. Here you can see I have added cookie policy privacy. In the URL also, I will be adding cookie policy privacy. After all of this customization is done in the cookie banner setting, you can see we are going to click on the save button. After this, we will hop on to the home page and we are going to open this customizable. Here you can see that the title is changed as we have changed in the settings configuration. You can see confirm my choice button is changed, and you can see the accept all is updated instead of that, and you can see the cookie policy privacy is also updated into the tab. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.